श्रीमती कीर्ति देवी देव बर्मन।
Honorable Speaker, I have
माननीय सदस्य
three questions.
एक मिनट, हाँ, प्रश्न संख्या बोल दें सबसे पहले।
Question number
सब
4A, the steps taken.
नो, कोई बात नहीं, आप हंसे, सभी सदस्य ने प्रश्न है। माननीय सदस्यगण, एक मिनट, मैं सभी माननीय सदस्य, उसमें नए माननीय सदस्य भी हैं। ऐसे तो पुराने माननीय सदस्य भी चूक कर जाते हैं। मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से आग्रह करता हूं कि प्रश्न काल में सबसे पहले हमें प्रश्न संख्या बोली जाती है, प्रश्न संख्या 4-3 संख्या बोली जाती है, फिर माननीय मंत्री जी सदन के पटल पर बात रखते हैं, उसके बाद प्रश्न पूछा जाता है और एक माननीय सदस्य एक मूल प्रश्न, एक सप्लीमेंट्री प्रश्न पूछ सकता है। माननीय ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
Honorable Member.
क्वेश्चन नंबर बोले।
Question number 4.
यस, ओके। मंत्री महोदय।
Sir, a statement is laid on the table of the House.
Honorable member.
Question number A, the steps taken by the government for reducing the number of pending litigation under the Companies Act law.
Honorable.
Respected Speaker, sir.
दादा, आप इतने सीनियर हो, आप रोज इस सदन की कार्रवाई को बाधित करते हो ना।
Ministry of Corporate Affairs has taken several steps to review pending prosecutions in various courts. In 2017 and later in 2022, a committee of senior officers of MCA was set up to give recommendations regarding withdrawal of prosecutions. The objective is to free judicial courts from dealing with offences that are of procedural and technical nature. So the question is, the answer of the question is this.
आप माननीय मंत्री जी कभी कोई सदस्य का जवाब नहीं देते। आप तो
the answer is already put on the table, sir.
Honorable member, supplementary.
Supplementary B, the data regarding the number of cases withdrawn or reduced as part of the efforts of the government to reduce the litigation burden. I would like to ask this question.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
In 2017, 14,247 prosecutions were withdrawn. As a special drive in one, already written statement has been given. And there is a decision taken by the ministry to withdrawal of 7,338 compoundable offices, which have been identified, and among them 6294 applications for withdrawal have been filed before the various courts.
श्री